Hey guys, good morning. Tony here. So a couple of you guys asked me about snow and what I think. I did last time we were here talking about snow. We were at 270 and I told you guys to buy at 270 because I knew it was going to run up back to 300. Turns out it actually exploded and it actually went over 420, which is absolutely insane. That's almost a 50% gain. Currently on the treadmill, so yeah, just kind of like pretend like you guys don't hear a bunch of noises. So from bottom called to top right here, you know, it did about 55%. It did a 55% gain. As of right now, Snowflake is 100% overvalued. I wouldn't be purchasing snow at this level at all. I would honestly wait for snow to go to touch back to 270, 250 levels, maybe even 230. I'd be buying at all these levels because I do fully expect it to go back to $300 if it retouches. Also right now, if you are holding snow, 100%, I recommend you sell. There's going to be a lot of dilution soon. Some of you guys may or may not know, Snow currently only trades with about 10% of its shares being live on the stock market, which is absolutely insane. Because once the rest of these shares actually become public, I think it's going to be this upcoming week is when the shares are actually going to start being offloaded. You're going to see Snow's share price absolutely plummet. Again, we are in 2020, so this can be completely the opposite thing, but what usually happens when there's a bunch of shares and a bunch of offload going on is you have 90% of the people who hold shares, they're gonna start offloading their shares at these prices, because why the hell not? They're basically making 3-4x their money by offloading all their shares at the current price of 350. So as of right now, I do fully expect Snow to be down all the way back to 300 this week, possibly even lower, because there's going to be a lot of offloading. And if you guys are back holding Snow right now, I highly recommend you get out of the not only is it overvalued, but there's going to be a bunch of shares being offloaded into just a bunch of random people that don't know what's going on. So for that person that asked me about Snow, 100% wait. Do not get into Snow. If you have any positions, 100% sell everything. I would sell everything right now, and I would wait to buy in back if it retouches that 27, the 270, 250 level. Even right now on the 4-hour chart, it actually passed. It actually went back down on the 4-hour MACD, and it doesn't seem to be slowing down. So last time we were here, we actually trickled down about $20. So from the highs of 420, 400 yards, I do expect it to keep dropping, but the thing is, it's a significant drop from 420 to 350. That's 70 points off of a 4-hour cross, which is absolutely insane. And that kind of gives you a sentiment of Snow and where it's headed right now. There are no, let me see if I can do something a little bit better. I can't really put, like, what's it called? I can't really put too many price targets. Let me see this one. We'll do one right here at 340. We'll do another one. We'll do another one at 333. There is another one at there's another one here at 396. And is there a possibility of another? I think there's going to be one more price range that we have to look at. Not there because it hasn't finished yet, but we are going to be looking around this price range of possibly 374. So strong target. I do think we're going to see snowfall all the way back down to 340, 330 levels. And I do think the momentum is going to continue all the way down to possibly $300. Because there's going to be a lot of share dilution, which means there's a lot of shares are going to be sold to the public because 10% of the shares are actually being traded right now in the stock market, which is absolutely insane. It's 100% overvalued. No way Snowflake is worth this much, right? And all the companies, all the employees of the company know this, and they're going to start offloading all of their shares, which is going to be a huge, huge deal for the upcoming week and the upcoming weeks. So as of right now, I am 100% bearish on Snow. And I do like Snow, but I would not purchase Snow unless we hit anything under $300. Like, it's just not worth it to me. Like, I would not buy at these levels at all. The only reason I would buy a 300, 270, 250 is because these pops of, these pops of price are going to be a regular thing in snow. So you seeing a 50% increase in price over the course of like a month is going to be completely normal for snow. Super volatile, right? So I would consider buying snow, swing trading it from the 270, 250, 300, not 300, only 270. At 270, I'm 100% buying, and I'm holding it to at least 300, taking profits, and then letting the rest ride, and then possibly taking everything out again if it does hit like 420, 440, 400 plus level, right? But this is my sentiment, 100%. I'm bearish on snow. Sell everything. I do think it's gonna draw. I do think it's gonna bleed.